Getting comfortable in front of the camera 101. Well, you know, it's really hard, but I have found that if you start talking to people, you have a connection, and make the connection with your own face on the video screen if you have to. The thing is that you want to let people know who you are and how this is going to help you by bringing you out of a shell that maybe insecurities have kept you in for too long. Change your mindset. Be someone who is ready to take on any task, and with marketing, this will help you. Doesn't matter if you're a car salesman, a plumber, anyone who deals with the public in any way, shape, or form, video, in person, or other. You have got to let people know where you come from and who you are. So by getting comfortable in front of the camera, hopefully this will help you. I know it's helping me.